After a dark, dreary winter, both seasonally and metaphorically, spending some days far away from everything was the perfect way to detach from it all and have some time to remember what it's like being human. My aunt's house was nothing extravagant, but it sure made me feel like I'm Heidi. It was the place where the day would start sounding like this and go on to offer all the magic and beauty of the mountains waking up to spring.
Have sung for 1,000 years. The hills fill my heart with the sound of music. My heart wants to sing every song it hears. My heart wants to beat like the wings of the birds that rise from the lake to the trees. My heart wants to sigh like a chime that flies from a church on a breeze. To laugh like a brook when it trips and falls over stones on its way. To sing through the night like a lark who is learning to pray. I go to the hills when my heart is lonely. I know I will hear what I've heard before. My heart will be blessed with the sound of music.
Everything is so fucking amazing. This was just a magical moment. That is the house. And I just came here. Time isn't rushed here in the mountains, and suddenly you start noticing things again. I went on a picnic with my aunt and found this beautiful place full of daisies, and I sat there and it was just magical. At sunset time, I went foraging with my cousin for asparagus and got some eggs from the chickens. And made this very nourishing farm organic dinner that, let me tell you, was more delicious than any junk food you can imagine, especially after spending the day frolicking among the rolling hills. It was also the place where the day would end like this. Not a single sound. And now I want to share with you some of my favorite pictures from this trip. And just take this moment to say that in my next video, I have a very exciting announcement to make. I think you'll love it. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe.